Let's take a look at the Rip Van Winkle of crypto, Bittorrent. Let's see if this guy is going to wake up soon. All right, we are looking at the weekly chart for Bittorrent, and the data I have is to 8:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on January the 19th. Early part of last year was really exciting. That's when Bittorrent broke out of consolidations and spiked up from 0.3 all the way to 1.3. But after that, the price retraced, and since then, Bittorrent pretty much didn't do much, underperformed most other altcoin. If we look at the time frame from when it established this all-time high until the price that it is trading right now. So I am starting to hear rumbling like Bittorrent is a scam, Bittorrent is going to go to zero, and all those negative stuff. I can certainly understand the frustrations, but to be fair, we really have to look at how Bittorrent performs since the beginning of the year until now. It was trading at 0.03, and now, even after this major retracement, it is still trading at 0.28. So we are still looking at almost 10x gain in 1 year. So Bittorrent still outperform, I would say, at least 50% other altcoins. Another thing we need to keep in mind is Bittorrent spike up from 0.03 all the way to 1.3 pennies in a matter of 6 weeks. We are looking at 40x gain in a very short period of time. So the higher the run up, the longer it would take to consolidate. The positive thing is, even during this pullback, the low continues to be higher than the prior low. See, this low here is lower than this low. And looking at this weekly chart, there's no doubt Bittorrent is forming this symmetrical triangle. And based on the way that the price have behaved over the past couple of weeks, I believe Bittorrent already found bottom for this retracement. And there is a very high probability that we are going to see a bullish reversal the minute Bitcoin stabilizes. Looking at the daily chart, it seems like Bittorrent is stabilizing right at around the 0.25 of a penny. Every time when it dropped below it, bounce right back up. What's really encouraging is looking at price action over the past couple of weeks. Bittorrent was trending below the 10 days moving average. And about a week ago, we saw the price drop. Immediately buy a step in. So we ended up with this very long legged candle, followed by another doji and indications of indecision. But the following day, we have this very nice confirmation signal. Indicate buyers are taking over and they are driving the price up. And after that, for the past 3 days, every time when the price dropped below the 10 days moving average, it bounced right back up. So there is a very high probability that we are seeing the beginning of this bullish reversal in price. So in the near term, I expect Bittorrent continues to stabilize over this 10 days moving average. The next major hurdle would be to cross over the 50 days moving average, and that would be at 0.28. If Bittorrent can cross over and stabilize over the 50 days, then I expect the uptrend to continue. The next major resistance would be at 0.32. Cross over that, then it is looking to break out of the symmetrical triangle. Looking at the Bollinger Band, the Bollinger Band is forming out very nicely. As you can see how tight the width of the band is. Lots of momentum is being built up after this very long consolidation period. So Bittorrent is definitely setting up for a major reversal in price, or what I would say is the next bull run. We'll revisit Bittorrent again once it crosses over the 50 days moving average, hopefully within the next 48 hours. That's it for this video, and don't forget to click that like button and reward me with a like if you appreciate the content that I'm presenting. Also, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button and subscribe, and make sure you turn notification on. And if you have Twitter, make sure you follow me at Vietmaxim, because I provide constant update on all of our favorite cryptos.